Hey everyone, Xiaomi has unveiled its latest innovation in home cleaning technology, the Robot Vacuum X20 Pro in Europe. Priced at €499, this smart device is designed to deliver efficient and hassle-free housekeeping across a variety of floor types. With advanced features and an emphasis on user convenience, the X20 Pro is set to elevate home cleaning standards. Equipped with a 7,000 Pascal suction fan blower, the X20 Pro is adept at removing dust, debris, and pet hair from surfaces including hardwood, tiles, and carpets. Its high-powered suction ensures a deep clean, tackling even the most stubborn dirt. The vacuum's smart carpet detection technology automatically raises the mop pads when it senses carpets, protecting them from moisture while ensuring other areas are thoroughly clean. Navigating busy households with ease, the X20 Pro uses edge laser sensors and structured light for sophisticated obstacle avoidance. This system allows the vacuum to glide around furniture and other obstacles, ensuring an efficient and seamless cleaning experience, even in cramped or cluttered spaces. X20 Pro's all-in-one base station takes effort out of upkeep. This station automatically gathers dust, cleans mop pads, and uses hot air drying to prevent the buildup of bacteria and mold. Large water tanks reduce the frequency of refilling and emptying, making it ideal for long-term cleaning routines. With the Xiaomi Home app, users can remotely control the vacuum, adjust settings, schedule cleanings, and monitor progress in real time. Whether at home or away, homeowners can rely on the X20 Pro to keep floors clean effortlessly. Thanks to its intelligent navigation and high suction power, the X20 Pro is suitable for homes of any size, from cozy apartments to larger family residences. It offers multiple cleaning modes, giving users the flexibility to choose between quick touch-ups or in-depth cleanings. In addition to the X20 Pro, Xiaomi has also introduced the Smart Projector L1 on its global website. This compact device features 1080p HD resolution, 4K video playback, and a projection capability of up to 120 inches with 200 ISO lumens brightness. Other highlights include autofocus, AI obstacle avoidance, Google TV integration, and Dolby Audio certified speakers. These features make it an excellent addition to any home entertainment setup. The Robot Vacuum X20 Pro is now available in the UK, Spain, Germany, and other European markets, combining high functionality with competitive pricing. Its advanced technology and ease of use position it as a standout option for homeowners seeking an effective, intelligent cleaning solution. With its thoughtful design and powerful performance, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro reinforces Xiaomi's commitment to bringing innovative and practical technology to households worldwide. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.